Hi Mark, let's see here. Got things going here a little bit. Got this wire hooked up here, going to the speaker in the enclosure, and got a test tone going here, 400 hertz. I can switch it to 1 kilohertz. I don't know if you can hear. I got the reverb tank going, and it seems to be working. Listen carefully here. There's a little bit of an echo in there. I don't know if I have the controls set very well or not, but vibrato or tremolo. We're getting just a little bit of the light peering through here. Isn't that interesting? That's the tremolo unit right there. We can see the So the basics seem like they're working. Can drive it fairly loudly here. Well, there you can really hear it. Lots to play with here. All right. I will continue. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.